Today I'm going to show you guys something that's not cooking, but it is kitchen related. I'm going to teach you guys how to do lavender spray. I love counter spray. I used to get the Myers or the Method counter spray, and I would spray that on as I was cleaning the counters, and then I just kept thinking, what's really in that? So anyway, I created my own, and I love it, and I've been using it for the past 3 months, and it's genius. So basically, we get these spray bottles. I will link to it, but it's called Chemical Guys, but they're just plastic bottles. They come in a 3 in a pack, and Steve uses them to clean his cars. But the great thing is that they're great sprayers. Like this sprayer just goes on and on. So we're gonna make the lavender oil, super easy. So you're gonna get the spray bottle, and just so you know, lavender is a natural antiseptic. And when you spray it, it helps calm anxiety and fears. It's very soothing and it smells great. Your kitchen smells great. So I'm gonna take about 15 drops, depending on the size of your bottle. I do about 15. This does not leave my counters oily. Again, I have these lovely granite counters that we got. Okay, I fill this with just regular old tap water. You can use filtered, you do you, distilled, whatever. And I'm gonna shake this. I'm gonna let this sit here when I first make it for at least 20 minutes just to let all the oils get in the water. Okay, I've let this sit for 20 minutes and I'm just gonna show you what I do. By the way, I love Trader Joe's pop-up sponges. They come like this and then they go like this. I use a new one probably about every week, if not, like 2 weeks or whatever. But you're just gonna spray this on the counter like this, and it smells amazing. And you can like wipe down your counters with a flour sack, towel, sponge, whatever. You want to dry them off after, but then sometimes I just spray this on the counter and your room smells amazing. And people are like, where's that lavender coming from? Anyway, so great hack, make your own counter spray using essential oils, lavender. And try some other ones if you want. I just think lavender is a natural antiseptic. So if you find some other ones, go for it, let me know.